Losing control, I gotta know who's in control of me, me. Losing control, I'm gonna explode. Can you bring it back to me, me? Give it back to me, oh please. It's the only thing I need. I can deal with this, oh please. It's making me feel so weak. Losing control, I'm gonna explode. Can you bring it back to me, me? Give it back to me, oh please. It's the only thing I need. I can deal with this, oh please. It's making me feel so weak. Give it back to me, oh please. It's the only thing I need. I can deal with this, oh please. It's making me feel so weak.
Let's go!
Yeah, boy. Let's go. Let's go.
Last one. Mommy, come on. Do you want a video? Oh, nice.
We can do it. I have an idea to do this, but we only tried it like 3 times. Like, you know, a handful.
Even when I did it at the gym before though, like I could never get that. You got it though. Come on.
Atta boy.
Nice.
Hey, I mean, you're ready to extend it now. Got it. You ready?
Now what?
Do it
Hey,
for
just gotta
real.
move 2 mats and send it. Or all the mats, technically. Commit, boy.
Yeah, just commit to it and bring your knees to your chest. Yeah.
That's it.
Let's go.
Nice. Dude, that was so good.
Your turn, Cheetah. One more time. That's smooth.
Dobby wants to move on this action. We're gonna get the mat set up a little bit so we can do some flows. We're doing flow skills and a little leg workout today.
Yeah, try from there.
Today
man.
is get Cindy and sketchy because we have the mats. Let's make it safe.
Come on, let's go.
I'm trying to do things that scare you today. Oh, attaboy.
Let me try it with no mat there.
Ooh.
Perfect. But keep these.
Okay. There's not be another mat here.
Let's go. Come on.
Wow!
You did it!
Let's go!
That's it! That's awesome!
But don't let go.
Hey, so should we move this? Let me get chalk.
Wow.
Yeah, letting go at it with both hands is the worst thing you do. I didn't mean to. I slipped off. Okay. We'll get some chalk. Let's go. That got me hyped.
Man, you can use this style.
Oh my god, boy.
Yeah,
Sand down.
dirt in your booty crack, probably. Dang, that'll.
Where's Sherman?
Oh,
Dude,
you
I
better
like the
find
setup.
out, boy.
What's going on right now?
Uh-oh, the one-time
Come on. Come on, let's go.
Yeah!
Let's freaking go. Let's go. Dude.
Let's go! Dude, congratulations!
That's awesome.
Let's go, send it!
Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Hold that. Let's go. Squeeze, fight for it, let's go. Good job, dude.
Dang.
That a boy.
Let's go.
Wait, either one of those are good options. Let's go.
Good job. Yeah, buddy. That's slippery. Another unlock. Oh, me? Try that. I feel like they would slip. Oh, nice.
Settle. Simulated settle.
So wild, huh?
The baby raccoon and a cheetah.
Alright.
The wild John.
What's wrong?
Do you have sharp claws?
Kind of. Not really.
Do you like watermelon?
I don't know. Does he?
Well, is he allowed to have that? Let's go. Let's go. Again, go. One more. Take 2 deep breaths and then go. Let's go. Come on, stick it. Let's go. Dang. Dude. Attaboy. Y'all leveled up today for real. As a whole, we got a lot more athletic and just cindier today, our whole group. That's cool. That's a good thing to have happen.
What? High bar?
Oh, your switchblades. Like I remember when I